Today we'll see the diode characteristics, how it shows in forward bias and in reverse bias. So always remember, in diode characteristics, the resistance will decreases as the current increases, okay, and this will appear in forward bias. Okay, so what is the first point to remember in the diode characteristics? Resistance decreases as the current increases, okay, and we will determine, will show, and we will I will show you how resistance decreases as the current increases according to Ohm's law. Okay, now see this diagram of the forward bias, waveform of the forward bias. At 0.6 the current value is 2 milliampere. Okay, so according to formula, R is equal to V by I. What is the voltage? 0.6 divided by 2 milliampere, so we will get 300 ohm. Okay, for the 0.6 volt we get 300 ohm. Now when the voltage increases, when the voltage increases, means the value of voltage is 0.8 and the current value is 50 milliampere. What will happen here? The value of the resistance will be decreases and it will be the 16 ohm. So what we have understood from the forward bias, as the current increases, the value of resistance, the resistivity decreases. Okay, so in the forward bias, what happen? As the current increases, resistance will be decreases. Now opposite to the forward bias is reverse bias. And what happen in the reverse bias? As the current increases, the resistance will be more. Okay, so see here, the voltage is 80 and here 10 nano ampere. R is equal to V by I. 80 by 10 nano ampere will be more resistivity. Okay, when you calculate in the calci, the resistivity will be more as compared to the forward bias. Okay, so this is the characteristics of the diode. In the forward bias, the current increases, value of the resistance will be decreases, and in reverse bias, as the current increases, the value of the resistance also increases. Okay, as the voltage increases, resistance will be increases. Okay, so this is the basic characteristics of the diode.